Okay. Okay, so guys, last time what I did, anyone remember?
I think last time 2K hardware details, 2K hardware details.
And some basic command, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to remember whether I did the checkpoint configuration or not? Because that was the last, I think. Not able to remember
You
whether I
told
did
the
that.
checkpoint
Not yet
will be
started.
stored the checkpoint like that.
Okay, I need to start the checkpoint, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So today we'll do the first checkpoint. Let me write in the notepad, it's better. First, we'll do the checkpoint. Once we'll do the checkpoint, then I need to start into the switching part. First, we'll do the basic switching. Once basic switching will be completed, then we'll go into the STP part. In basic switching, first need to do the trunk part. Access port. Then ESPO. Fourth, we'll do yes, SVI. SVI, then the common thing is port security. Then DSCP snooping. Once DSCP snooping, yes, term control. Then we'll do the SCL. In SCL, there are mainly we'll do the syntax part. IPSCL is there, and in Nexus make SCL is there. One more SCL is there, that is VLAN SCL. Then after the VLAN SCL, there is remote management. After remote management, I think it's server. Then we need to go into the STP. STP we cannot cover today. After this, it will be STP. Okay, so guys, anyone let me know. I am under impression that everyone is aware about this part. This is the basic switching. Anyone don't know about this part? Trunk, what is trunk port, access port, what is port channel, what is the SVI, what is the port security, DSCP stripping, term control. Everything CCNA, just in the Nexus, we need to know the syntax. Anyone don't know, please ask. Everyone
Sir, I
knows?
don't have idea about SVI.
Who told this one? Name, please.
Arshit.
Arshit. Okay. So for the SVI, actually switch virtual interface. In the, you did CCNA?
Yes, sir.
In CCNA switching, you did this what?
Yes, sir. Inter-VLAN routing.
Then this part, switch virtual interface, SVI. Under the interface VLAN 10, then I created an IP address. Suppose IP address anything. Suppose 10.1.1.1.
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
I believe Manas sir lost. Manas sir? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir. You
Yeah,
are
you're
audible.
audible. Actually, I think the
Yes.
Yeah, Manas sir has a problem, I believe. He dropped. Just wait, guys. Manas is joining. Okay, guys, there is some internet issue. Manas sir is joining very soon.
Sir, in case of switching port, in short review for this points will be better for us because we did a CCNA on many years back. So that is why if it is possible, then
Yeah,
when we will
definitely. Manas sir is going to cover the brief part, okay? And if it's still needed on the switching, I'll cover on the separately if you guys will. But I would recommend, right? Because you're targeting the data centers.
yeah,
So
yeah. So
expectation is you guys have very good switching knowledge,
yeah.
but still not have. Manas is definitely going to.
Hello, sorry guys. Actually, my
No
internet has
problem.
been
Let me make you the
disconnected.
host, sir. Let me make you
Hmm.
the host first. See what the host. So Manas sir is just a little bit expectation. Just go walk through the basic of the switching. Not very depth because we are expecting they have the good knowledge CCN and CCNP, but at least basic just brush up. If it's still needed, guys, probably we'll discuss one day and I'll conduct one session or Manas sir is going to conduct just deep dive session. Okay.
Okay. So Harshit, will do one thing. Here I will do all the configuration. Okay, and same time I will let you know what is the means why we are using the SVI, why we are using the export. Just one point. But if you need, we will conduct another session for the basic switching part. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
So I
Hmm.
don't have idea about this Mac ACI. I know
No,
IP
no,
ACI,
no worry about that part. Mac ACL, I will let you know. That
Mac
is
ACL and
yes.
VLAN ACL.
VLAN ACL. Actually, this is we are using in the switching. Okay. Suppose if you want to block any specific MAC address on that port. Okay. Suppose I am a hacker. Okay, and you know that I am doing a lot of broadcast, and you know my MAC address, and you know my connected port. On that port, you can directly block my MAC address. That is the MAC ACL. I will let you know. And VLAN ACL, nothing. Suppose in a particular VLAN, suppose VLAN 10, VLAN 20 is there. I want to block specific service. I don't want to go to every port on that switch, and I don't need to apply directly on the VLAN. I can apply. I will let you know the syntax. These two things, maybe a lot of people, this is new, but I think rest, it's old. But if anyone don't know, I will give you another session for this part. Okay, no worry about that. But let's continue from the checkpoint, and then I will try to cover this part, but I don't know. Let's see how much we can go. Okay, now guys, again I am telling checkpoint is not a device. It's just a service in the Nexus. Should we start, or anyone want to ask anything? Please let me know. Should we start?
No, we can start. Yes.
Okay, because this is a little bit long session today. I want to cover up this all things. So let's start without wasting the time. Okay, what is the checkpoint? Suppose this is a catalyst switch. For an example, this is a cat switch. And suppose this is configuration A is there. Some basic configuration is there. And for an example, it is on the stage A. Now what you did? You have a project, okay, or you are in the working on the BOU team. Anything required through the RITM or through the project, you want to do some configuration changes here as per the client requirement. What you did? You start the configuration, you reached here. You reached here. And today is suppose Saturday. You did the activity on Saturday, Sunday. Generally, networking people do on the Saturday, Sunday, or in the night. You have asked your LCON, means local contact, that please check all the services. And he told 1-2 services he randomly checked, and he told yes, everything is good. Now it's Monday. You are in Monday right now. When you logged into your SIP, multiple tickets has been logged. Multiple incident has been logged due to year changes. you have all the steps, because generally when we're doing any kind of migration activity or any kind of changes activity, we have the proper step. What we did, if in case I need to roll back, I should have all the commands. Whatever we changes, even if single command, I should have my checklist. You have everything. But what is the rollback procedure on Monday morning? What you will do? Can anyone let me know? In the catalyst switch, I'm asking on the catalyst switch. What is the rollback procedure? You already did a write memory here.
I need to do the things which I had earlier,
Yes.
like in the Saturday. So I
Yes.
need to do the no to all the commands, like
Everything you need to remove.
yeah.
Okay. Then you need to check all the services. Yes. So on this way, as you did the right, I don't have any other way. I need to remove all the configuration. Else I can power up the switch. But in the Nexus, I have a very great feature. Suppose you are here in the Nexus. Try to understand. This is configuration A. Now here, you are in the configuration B. I will show you in the lab. Suppose you did some changes. For an example, A, B, C, D, F, whatever you did some changes. Now your services are not working fine. And even if you do a copy run to start, I don't have any other option right now. But here in the checkpoint, try to remember, generally when we are doing any kind of migration activity, any kind of changes activity on the Nexus, directly we create a checkpoint. Any checkpoint you can, A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, whatever the name, you need to create it here. After configuration, if you will create, then there will be no benefit. Before the configuration changes, you need to create it here. Then whatever changes you need to do, you can do. But after that, if your Elcon or any local IT will confirm that no, my service is not working, please change your revert your changes. What I need to do, I directly go to this one. Through my checkpoint, I can roll back. That service is known as the checkpoint. Through the rollback procedure, I can do it. Let me show you.
So sir,
I
how
have a
can we
question, sir.
describe like in a normal language, like what is the checkpoint in the Nexus?
Checkpoint.
How we can elaborate this one to interviewer?
Yes, checkpoint is the service. If I have create a checkpoint on that time before the activity, so I can revert my changes back with this checkpoint rollback procedure. This is the
Okay.
thing.
I have a question here.
Uh,
Like, is there any restriction, like how many checkpoint you can create in the Nexus one devices?
No, multiple checkpoint we can create.
There is no
Same time,
restriction.
same time.
Not same time.
No, after that you can create. But at a time only one. Because how you can identify what is your checkpoint?
No, is there any restriction, like you have to create so many
No
of them?
restriction, but at that point one only.
Okay.
Besides,
And
are you there? Yes,
after
tell me.
even the switch got rebooted, is that checkpoint will be there?
No. If this switch will be during the activity, if switch will be rebooted, then I did not do the right. So my checkpoint will not be there then that time.
No, what I'm saying, if you do the right memory, then the checkpoint will be there, right?
Yes, checkpoint will be
Even the
there.
reboot also.
Yes.
Okay.
Besides, are you there? Why I left this one?
Yes, sir. You just close it. Just log
Okay,
out.
let me try to.
No. Just log out the lab. Log out.
Yes, logging up.
Log out. Log out. Not log.
Yes. Just a minute. Let me
Close the lab. Close lab.
yes, let me close and restart. I think it will work.
No. Just go in the right corner. Right corner. Log out the lab.
Completely log out I need to do,
Yes.
or I think.
Just go and log out the lab.
Okay, just a minute.
Click on the Manas.
Yes.
Log out.
Just
Log
a
out.
minute. I am stopping my screen. Need to put my credential. Just a minute.
Okay,
Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, now it's good. Let me say
So which model Nexus we are using? 95?
9K95. Yes.
Okay.
All that lab will do 9K only.
Yep. Okay. Because in my lab, like
Hmm.
my personal laptop, I have a 93. So
No
that's why
problem.
I'm asking. Okay.
Exactly same. No issue on that part.
Okay.
But which iOS you are using?
9K.
No,
Na-
9K is the hardware.
I'm
iOS
using the 10.2.3.
10.3. Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, let me show you. Let me create something. Super feature. Let me create interface VLAN. Let me create OSPF. Then let me do copy run start. Okay, guys, this is my original configuration. Suppose I just as a lab I am showing you this one. But suppose for an example, this is the configuration. It's here. I have already enabled the feature OSPF and interface VLAN. I have already enabled. Now you are trying to do something. Okay. Suppose let me do some changes. What I did. First, I need to create a checkpoint. Checkpoint. Any checkpoint name you can create. Suppose CK I have created. Then let me create. Okay. Now what we need to do? Suppose let me do no feature. Let me remove the interface VLAN. If anyone is asking, tell me, not able to see your message, ask. Let me remove the OSPF also. Okay. Then here, let me do save my configuration. Copy run to start. Now, after this configuration changes, you did some configuration changes because first your network admin, what he did? He did two feature command he has created. Interface VLAN he has created. Then OSPF he has created. But suppose unknowingly or due to some reason you have removed this one, interface VLAN or feature OSPF you remove. After that, maybe some services are not working. But you already did a write memory, means copy run to start, you already did. Right now, what we can do, we can roll back this one. Roll back my running configuration. It's my checkpoint. What is my checkpoint name?
CK minus B.
Let's say we have multiple checkpoints. So how we can check that?
What? I will
Let's say we
come
have,
to. Let me finish this one first. You can see.
okay, so checkpoint.
Okay, just a minute. Let me complete this one first. What I told, what I need to, yes. So feature include enable. Now what you are able to see? Just see what you are able to see. Which are the enabled? Which feature are enabled? Consider on this one.
Interface VLAN.
Interface VLAN, OSPF. These are
OSPF
the
and SSH.
Yes. SSH is by default.
By
Okay.
default, yeah.
Yes, but what I did, I have removed the interface VLAN. if you are able to remember, I put a command no interface VLAN.
Yes.
And I did the feature remove OSPF. Yes.
Yes.
But before that, it was created. Am I right? If you will come to this one, I have removed this one. But before that, I have created this one. Now, once I roll back to the checkpoint, you are able to see this command again.
Yeah.
This is the main purpose of the rollback command, means the checkpoint. Guys, try to remember, if you are working on the Nexus environment, it's very good if you are doing any kind of migration activity. But if you are new to the Nexus and you have started here just as a project team, you are doing the migration activity, any kind of changes activity, please keep in mind, if you are not quite sure, if your senior is not with you, then you can just create a checkpoint. Clear? Everyone?
Yeah, sir. It's clear. Like a checkpoint is nothing, but it is a rollback procedure.
Rollback procedure, yes. This procedure I don't have in my cat switch.
Yes, like in the Catalyst, we need to do all the things manually, but in the Nexus, we can create the checkpoint and do it immediately as
Do
soon as possible.
immediately, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. So
Manas sir, checkpoint is only for rollback purpose only in case of
yes,
migrations.
migration means not only migration, any changes also you are doing on your.
Okay,
Suppose you are not doing migration, you are doing any changes also.
Okay.
So then that time also you can do this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mainly this is for the implementation part.
So, sir, I have one more question. Like a checkpoint is inbuilt feature, or we need to be purchased, or we need to be enabled, like in the feature.
Feature I did not enable. It's inbuilt.
Okay.
Sir, it is one more question. Actually, checkpoint is support only for the Nexus switches or any other vendor, say like Juniper and or like that switches.
Juniper, I am not aware, but Juniper also
Juniper
when
is
you will
the
changes,
Juniper, I
yes.
think the same kind of
Yes.
things.
When
That
you
is
will
checkpoint,
changes, when you
not
will change
checkpoint.
any command, it will just check first, then it will implement in the Juniper. If you will see in the Juniper, first it will check if all is right or not. First it will give you all the command, then it will implement. But here in the checkpoint, this is a just rollback procedure.
I have one question.
Checkpoint also, there is a rollback option. We can do that.
Yes.
Hello.
That
Yes.
is so. There is rollback command is there, not
Yes.
checkpoint.
So what does checkpoint contain?
What does checkpoint contain means? Checkpoint will roll back all your command, what you did after this checkpoint. First, I did a checkpoint. Checkpoint is nothing, just a service, just a feature. Checkpoint is nothing. Whatever the command you have implemented on the checkpoint, once you put the checkpoint, then once you will roll back, you will get back to your old configuration, not the new configuration.
Okay.
Clear? Okay, guys. So now let me remove this one. It's unnecessarily consuming.
Sir, I have one question.
Hmm.
Like for example, on daily basis, we are doing operational work, we are changes, we are adding or just. Do we have to do every time this checkpoint? Means, for example, by
daily
mistake
time,
we deleted the interval and one SVI. So do we have to?
For this, when we are doing very small types, suppose you are creating a port channel. Okay.
Okay.
So then there everyone is quite sure my port due to this new port channel, there will be no issue. Okay. And if you are, how you can remove this SVI before checking any kind of ARP table, any kind of anything, you cannot remove that one. If you are on your L3, you are checking for that interface. Suppose I want to remove, for an example, I am giving your point only. Suppose you want to remove the VLAN 10 on your Nexus. What is the procedure for that? Under the production, first you need to go to your L3. Am I right?
Yes, no VLAN interface, no interface.
No,
VLAN.
so IPR, no, first command is so IPR VLAN 10 you need to check.
Yes.
What you will see, only the gateway you will see here. No other IP you will see here. If it is quite, you are quite sure, no, nothing is there. Only my gateway is there. 3 gateway, maybe you have configured the HSRP. So one physical and VPC is connected to, sorry, 2 physical, 1 virtual is there under the VPC, HSRP. Only 3 IP you are seeing here. So what is the issue? You can directly remove. So for that, why I need the rollback? Got it. But blindly, I cannot do anything on the production environment. If someone will ask me to remove the L2 VLAN, L3 VLAN, I need to check properly. First, I need to go to L3. What is connecting there? What is the ARP table is saying there? Okay, everything is fine, then only you can remove. Otherwise, you need to face the penalty. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we'll start one by one. STP, I cannot do today. Let's first the trunking. What is trunking? Why I need trunking? Just one liner, guys. If anyone knows, can tell so that I can continue. Trunking means on that port, I can pass multiple VLAN. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, today is directly for the first class. What I did the basic command, I will prepare a note for that. Okay, that was actually missed. Same day I need to put the notepad, as this is the first batch from the GuiNet side. So what I will do today, everything I will write on the command. Every command I will write on the notepad only, so that I will save after this class. I will save, share this with the GuiNet. They will provide you. Okay, on every class you will get your notes. So now first thing, guys, this please take the snap. And for the trunk access, you need to help me out which port what is connected, because every time I cannot show my diagram. Take the snap, keep with you. I will share with the institute, but as of now, please keep with you. Once done, please let me know, guys. All done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's meet this diagram. So before that, let me show you something. What will be the output on this command? Last time I told you. Can anyone tell me?
We can see the interface status.
Okay, guys. Sometimes it's depend on the module. Sometimes you will see here as the routed.
Yeah.
Okay. You will see the routed. It means L3 must means it's depend on the module. So whenever you will do any kind of configuration on the notepad, and for as per my suggestion, from the beginning, try to do all the configuration in the notepad. You will get a lot of issue. I can understand, but it will be very means it a good opportunity from means right now. It will be a very good preparation for your exam. Okay. So from the beginning, try to do everything on the notepad. And in the Nexus, try to do a switch port command, because sometimes it's the L3 the routed port, so it's better you can do a switch port. So what are the port connected to each other through the trunk? Very basic command. What are the ports, guys? Please tell me. Oh, why is so silent?
E1, E2.
Let me do see which port are connected. E1, E2, E1, E2. Here E1, E2, E3, E4. Here E1, E2, E3, E4. Here E1, E2, means every port is connected to each other with a trunk. You can see not only E1, 2, everyone. E1, E2, E3, E4. Here it is E1, E2, E3, E4. Here it is E1, E2, E3, E4. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever I will write, guys, in this way, means NX01, NX02, NX03, it means on all the switches this command is same. Okay. to make this, suppose this is a routed port, how I can make this as a layer 2?
Switch port mode access.
Here you need to put the switch port, make this as L2. Yeah, switch port. Sometimes direct will not work in the Nexus. So try to put the switch port command. Switch port. And what is the command to make the trunk?
Mode trunk. Switch port mode trunk.
Mode trunk.
Then switch port.
No, after that, I will come one by one. As of
Okay.
now, I just put the trunk, then we will create the VLAN, then we will do one more protects the access. Then we'll put a question like 10 to 12 you need to allow all, something you need to remove. One by one, I will come, okay? Sometimes when you will write on the notepad, you will get error, but try a practice so that for your exam, it will be very good.
And the notepad it is like a mob. It is a mob before the activity we have created.
No, I'm not getting you. What you are telling?
It is we are writing on the like a notepad, so it is like a mob method of procedure what we are doing in the operation.
Yes. Mainly why you are putting on the notepad? It's mainly for the exam purpose.
Yeah.
If you will not start from the today, because guys, you are in the basic DC right now. Today you are in the CCNP part. Okay, so anyhow we need to practice for the CCI after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Okay, so then that time it's very means required to use your notepad only. Okay, just a minute. Let me reload this. Actually, today some issue with my broadband. Just continue. Okay, let it to be come up. Then meanwhile, let me do some other configuration. Now I need to, this is the lab one. Let me put the one. Everything I am preparing here so that you can get. Now basic VLAN configuration. Suppose I am trying to create 2 VLAN. What is the command for that? Exactly similar to your cat switch.
Actually, at first we have to enable the feature VLAN. Interface
Why?
No.
VLAN
It is in a core OS.
Core OS
Okay,
VLAN.
okay. Yeah.
Until these ports are in the core feature, I don't know to do anything.
So VLAN
yes.
And like a number what we have to be configure.
PO manual.
Yeah.
Port channel manual. Port channel manual, not LSCP manual. And this VLAN configuration, it's by default in the core OS. I don't need to pay anything for this. Got it?
I have a question here. For the trunk port, why put the access port? We no need the access port for trunk, right?
Where I put the access port? Oh, sorry.
Switch port mode access.
Sorry. This is mistake. This is from my bad. By mistake, I put this one. Okay. Now, basic VLAN. Suppose VLAN 10 and 20 I need to create. Okay, same thing I will create. VLAN 10. Will this work or not?
Yeah, it will work.
Okay. Then a hypothetical question in the interface E5, suppose there are interface on the switch 5, 6. I want to put this on the access mode. Switch one.
Switch port mode access allowed VLANs.
Okay, just a minute.
I think switch port trunk allowed VLAN.
Yes. I need to restart this one. Okay, let's do this one. No, I just need to create a basic. Let me write the question for you guys. 5 we can create for VLAN 10, 6 I can create for VLAN 20. Very simple configuration.
Switch port access, VLAN.
Those who have forgot about the switching part, please see it here. What I need to do, interface.
Interface VLAN.
UTS 1 by 5, 6. Everyone know what is the meaning of this one?
Yeah.
This is a range.
Okay.
Range.
Then switch for more access. Switch what?
Trunk allowed.
Why?
Access allowed.
Access VLAN.
Access allowed.
It's okay. Sorry, I need to put port 5 on VLAN 10, 6 on VLAN 20. Okay. Let me see if it is started. Oh, what is happening?
With the enter button.
Okay, now all are good. Okay, now all are good. Switch on. This 3. You have here Nexus access. Right? Hello.
Hello, yeah.
You have your Nexus access.
I have my own lab with the
Okay.
Nexus.
You have your own server or you are using a high memory laptop?
I'm using the high memory laptop with the Peanut Lab port.
Okay. What is the RAM?
Sir, I have a 32 GB.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
I think you have to change the VLAN maybe. You have mentioned VLAN 10 for the all those. I think you want
VLAN
to
10,
know
yes.
VLAN
This
10
one is
and
for
20 maybe.
yes, this is VLAN 20. Now let me configure this one. This one. Okay. To see one by one basic switching, just it's a revision for you guys. So I need to see my trunk port. What is the config? Sorry, what is the command I need to see? Same exactly at least what you are seeing. To check my trunk.
So trunk.
No, switch port.
So command, guys.
So interface strong.
Yes. Everything is fast is up now. So interface trunk. Basic command, guys. Try to remember. Okay. Now my this part is over. It's also Nexus 1 in. This is a hypothetical one. Let me do a no sort, but it will remains in the sort down. Whatever the things in the real environment we are do, let me put it all here, but it is nothing is connected. It will be remain no sort. It's Nexus 1, 0, 2, 3.
I think in Nexus, no shutdown is automatically, right? I didn't
Why?
remember.
What
I
you
didn't
need to
remember.
do? No. What we need to do?
Okay.
What we need to do and you have worked on the HSRP or VRRP on the
Yeah.
Nexus?
VRRP we can run, right?
VRRP automatically means it no sort or sort or you need to do something on the VRRP. That is the only protocol. When I will do the VRRP, then you will see how it's differentiated from the catalyst switch. Okay. So now let me do one. Conflicting. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now my question is that, let me put a question for you guys. This is 3. Guys, in the interview, you will not directly get a direct question in the Nexus level because you are highly experienced right now, because you already in the CCNP and core NRC. So you will get something little tricky question. But how I can write this one? Only VLAN 10 to 20 should be allowed.
Which port?
A trunk.
Which port mode?
Let me
Switch
put
port
up.
mode trunk allowed VLAN 10 and 20. Like a 10.
Any other answer? My question is that this is a hypothetical question. If you will attend a face-to-face interview, generally they will ask this type of question. So 10 through 20, what does that mean?
10 through 20.
What is the meaning of 10 and 20? What is the meaning of 10 and 20? What is the meaning of 10 through 20?
It's the entire port you can go from 10 to
Entire
20.
VLAN. Guys, if you have a DOMS, you can see this type of question they will ask also. This is on the exam also. 10 through 20 means 10 to 20. Whether I should have the VLAN, I don't know. I don't care. But if anyone is asking, I want to pass 10 through VLAN, you need to tell him like this: 10 through 20. If you will put this one, what is this?
This will allow only two VLANs, 10 and 20.
10 and 20.
Actually, I didn't get this one. Would you please repeat?
Okay. Let me repeat. My question is that, what is my question? Only VLAN 10 through 20 should be allowed in the trunk, means NX-01, 02, 03. Whatever the ports they are connected through the trunk. So what does that mean? 10 through 20 means one is 10 and 20. Another is 10 through 20. What is the difference?
10 to 20 means 11 is also there. 11, 12.
Yes, 10 to 20 means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All are there. This one. 10 and 20 means?
Only 10 and 22 will answer.
Clear now?
Yeah, got it.
Whenever anyone will ask you the question, be attentive on the DC, and if you are appearing the exam, be attentive what they are asking on the means what is the question. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me the just a minute? Let me put this one. Okay. So what is the command?
This NX-01 is a switch name or it's a port name?
No,
Those are
NX0. These are the
1, 2,
switch.
3 is the switch.
These are the switch. You can see. These are all my switch.
Okay.
NX03 means NX-OS 3. In the EP, you will see as the NX-OS. I made the host name changes. Switch 3. This is the switch 3, nothing else. Let me, if you are confusing, let me put like this. Now good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, tell me the command. These are the, everything is old, so you can help me out on this. 1/4. Who is what? Trunk. Command.
Allow VLAN.
Allowed VLAN. Then how I can write?
10 minus
10.
20.
10-20.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that will be take.
Okay. Let's see it is working or not. What you are able to see here? Previous output and new output. What is the difference? Previously, it was everything was allowed from 1 to 4094. Am I right?
Yes.
Now it's whatever the VLAN you have specified, it is allowing. Okay. Now let's do a port channel. Right? What is the meaning of the port channel?
This is the bundle port where you can combine the multiple port to a
Okay.
single
I am
channel.
putting a simple question in front of you. Okay, this is switch 1. This is switch 2. Basic CCNA level question I am asking. Just answer me. Now, first of all, this is basic switch, catalyst switch. I have connected this cable. Okay. So, some ports will be blocked or everything will be in the forwarding state.
Some
If
port
it
will
is
be
not
blocked.
single cable, the port will be going
No,
to
no, no.
block.
4 cables. 4 cables. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cables.
Is there in the any port channel or in the individual
No, no,
pins?
direct. Just I have connected.
Yeah, the
Ports will be
will be-
blocked.
ports
Ports
will be
will be
blocked.
blocked.
The STP will be run
STP
and
will be
put in
run.
port.
Okay, on which switch, which port will be run? Basic STP question I am asking. Just for a revision, guys. Because tomorrow I will do the STP. On which criteria, on which switch, which port will be blocked?
Lowest priority.
Lowest priority switch will be blocked. How the root bridge election will be there?
Lowest bridge ID will be take as a
Lowest bridge ID. What is the meaning of the lowest bridge ID?
So by default, there is the
MAC
three.
address and
Hold on. What is the meaning of lowest bridge ID?
MAC address and switch priority.
MAC plus priority or priority plus MAC, whatever you are telling. Okay. What is the by default priority?
32,007, 32768.
3768.
32768. Okay. Now, whatever is the lowest MAC, that will be my RB. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
In this case, switch one will be.
Yes. Suppose this is A. This is B. Suppose this one will be my root bridge. Okay. Now, in the root bridge, okay, just before that, what is the priority size? What is the MAC size? How many bytes are the MAC? How many bytes are the priority? Guys, please try to do the basic. Else, let me know. We'll conduct a basic session. Shortly, I will conduct a basic session also on the switching part. Please let me know. 6 plus 8. MAC is how many bits?
48 bits,
Means how
48.
many? Means how many byte?
48.
Means how many byte?
8 byte.
Huh?
8.
No, 6
Six
6 byte.
byte. 6
6
Yes,
byte.
byte.
correct.
So 6 plus 2, 8 byte. The priority bridge ID.
Yes.
Okay. Now in the root bridge, what are the ports? In the root bridge, what are the ports? Don't tell me the states. Tell me the role. You know about the difference between the role and states?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the states here? And
These
what is the
are
role?
totally bottom.
That will be designated port for the root bridge side.
DP. Am I right?
Yeah.
These are DP. And now?
There will be the root port.
Okay. The rest will be in the block.
Yes.
Okay. So right now, how many link I am utilizing?
4 link.
Only one.
Only one.
One.
Because this is block. How my actual figure look like?
Yes. Only
Now
Yes.
my diagram will look like this one. Am I right?
Yes.
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 To overcome this condition, guys, what we need to do, we can bundle the all ports. Okay, so that what they will do, they will behave themselves as a part of one port channel. I am bundling this one port channel. In the catalyst, you can use the ether channel command. Here you can use the port channel. So I am bundling all ports into one so that all will be mine in the utilized condition. Nothing will be blocked. Am I right?
Yes.
Anyone, any other point? Now my question is, guys, suppose this PC is trying to send some data through switch 1 to this PC. Suppose this is going on this port number 1. Okay. Here. Now, why my question is why this on this port it is not getting back.
Because of it is a single port channel, right? It acts as a single port with the
Yes, now this port will what see, because every time under the port channel we need to put a port channel ID. Am I right?
Yes.
So
Correct.
when any other port will see this receiving interface, they have a port channel ID, suppose 5, and I have also port channel ID of 5, because this side you need to same port channel ID. This side may be different, but this side it's need to be same. So once it is receiving on the same port and it is seeing, oh, it's the port channel 5, my port channel ID also 5, so it's my part, I will not send this back. So this is the reason it is not creating the loop. Clear, everyone?
Correct.
Okay. Now to achieve this, we have the static, we have the dynamic. And you guys all know about that I can use all the channel through the load balancing technology. Source port, source MAC, destination IP, source IP. These are the load balancing technology. Just see once again here CCNA, CCNP, the load balancing part is also there. In the Nexus, we don't need to do that one, that is automatic. Okay. So load balancing part is also there so that I can utilize all the link. That is through the hashing technology algorithm will be utilized for this one. But try to remember this one, all the port will be under the single logical port. I can achieve this one through the static and dynamic. What are static and what is dynamic? Can anyone tell me? One more.
Static means manual.
Yes.
Dynamic will be PHP and LSCP.
Yes, PHP, LSCP, leave about the PHP. Here only LSCP. Okay, on mode and LSCP. Let's do one by one. Clear what is the port channel? If anyone forget about the port channel part, now it's clear. Something you are able to remember, guys, from the CCNA? Yes. अरे थोड़ी बहुत तो बात कर लो.
बिल्कुल सर बिल्कुल.
Okay. Before that, let me default all the ports. I need to make the port channel right now. Default all the ports. What is the default command?
Default means like a nothing is a configure on the
What is the command?
default interface and
Okay, very good.
Default interface.
Yes. Because I have some configuration, let me remove all.
What does default command do? Like it remove
It removed everything
previous
from the switch.
configuration.
Yes. On
Previous
that port.
configuration.
Yes.
Okay,
From that port, okay.
got it.
आज मेरा नेटवर्क मुझे रुलाएगा. I think my network speed is good.
it's boom.
It's good, but why it is something.
So sometime peanut lab have a issue
No,
with the HTML.
tomorrow I will use another server. I will not use this server. Another server I will use.
Okay.
Just let me see if I can connect another server. Okay, just allow me a minute. I think this also is not there. I need to make someone as the co-host so that he can make me the host again if I will leave. Amit, can I make you co-host?
Okay, sir. Okay.
If I leave, then you can make me a host again. Okay, Just allow me a minute. Let me stop my screen. I need to use another server. But I don't know this. I cannot open that one also. Oh. Just a minute, guys. Else we will do the command part today. Again, I will put. 1129. Okay. Let me write it. Oh, that's not. Okay, no problem. Let me share again. Let's do the command part. It's not opening. I don't know what is this. Okay, let me share. It's not opening. Let me do the command part. We should not waste time. Okay, now guys, what I need to do, it's not opening. Let me do this configuration just. Then tomorrow I will paste. Can anyone have the snap?
Yes.
Okay. Now I cannot able to open anything. This is not working. Okay. On default we will. Now I need to do the port channel. Let me put a mark here.
No lab perform here.
Okay. Okay, so for the port channel, what I told you, let's start from the static, the mode on. Mode on. Let me, anyone remember the command?
Yes, channel group.
Okay.
Channel group number.
Let's do from the port directly. That is also a good thing. You need to do interface port channel. Suppose I'm creating here 23. Interface port channel 23 switch port mod trunk. Then under the port switch port, you need to put the command channel group 23 mod on. Am I right?
Yeah.
But sometimes it's happen forcefully. You need to do. What we can do, either you can create through the port channel or you can directly here you can create from the port. If I will create from the port, what is the command?
Interface port channel.
Let's do, let me write the question. Configure the ports of NX-02 and 03 to be part of port channel. Guys, when I will share this one directly, you don't copy paste. Just see the video and try to do on yourself. If you will be face any issue, then that time you can follow this one. Okay, directly don't copy paste. The port channel ID should be set to 23.2.2.1 both side. Now my very simple question, I have written it here, the port channel ID should be set 23 on both side. Is this mandatory?
No.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, this is no, but the best practice we can go
Best
for.
practice for the recommendation, it is same, so that for the identification, it will be very easy.
Yeah.
Channel, let me put a tricky line. The port channel should not use any negotiation protocol. What does this mean? Again, I am telling in the DC will not get any direct question. What does this mean? Just last line. Just see, try to read my complete question, then tell me.
That full duplex, this one.
Full duplex?
Negotiation protocol we are talking.
Yes, the port channel should not use any negotiation protocol.
Okay, you are talking about LACP.
LACP is the negotiation.
No, auto or desirable.
Desirable is in PHP. In LACP, what are the mode?
Active passive.
Active passive.
Active.
Who will negotiate? Active will negotiate, am I right?
Yes. But
E-
both side we need to have active.
No, active passive also work.
Okay.
Yeah,
Active passive
passive
work,
both are.
active will work.
Passive will not work.
Okay, so try to understand. Again, this is a tricky line. Maybe you will get in the exam, maybe you will get in the interview. The port channel should not use any negotiation protocol. I will not use any PHP although we cannot use, or LACP. What is the only protocol left which we need to do forcefully, manually? Static, mode on.
Mode on, yes.
Indirect meaning is this one. Please put a mode on here. Okay. NX-02. Just remind me tomorrow, guys, to do this lab. Let me write this one. I have already put a notes, but remind me.
You are talking for this specific your configuration, or it's you are taking on general? The port channel should not use negotiation protocol.
No, this is a question I am putting here. No, I'm not getting you. This is my question. This is the reason I told you what I need to do. I'm not getting you. Could you please repeat it again?
No, you mentioned here the port channel ID should be 23 board side. Okay, but the port channel should not use any negotiation protocol.
It means you need to use the static one, not dynamic.
Means you are asking for this particular
Yes.
scenario.
Yes.
Okay.
I am asking to doing this one because every time means what my class, what generally I am doing in every class, it's not only the DC or any other classes or I am taking, I am just putting question, then I will do the lab on the notepad. Putting question, it's do the lab. So what will happen when you will go through these notes, you can easily see what is the question and what does it meaning. So if in the near future, if anyone will ask or you will get this question on the exam, you will easily clear. Got it? Nexus one. Okay, now what is the, let me do it on interface ETH. What are the port connected, guys, from the Nexus 2 to 3? Please tell me.
Nexus 3, 4.
3, 4. Okay, very good. 3, 4. 10. I can put the switch port. It's not required in my module. Switch port. Okay, now what is the command? To put this under the channel port channel ID 23.
Channel group.
23 mode on.
Yes, very good.
Channel group and then mode on.
Channel group 23 mode on. Let me see if it is coming up. Okay. Oh, stopped.
It will consume more time, sir.
But yes. No worry, let me do another one also. Okay. If you'll get time, we'll put the command, else tomorrow we'll do. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. This is good. And what is the command to, I cannot show you today because lab is not running till now. So what is the command to see whether my port channel is up or not?
So port channel
channel summary.
To interface port channel summary.
Port channel summary.
Port channel summary. Okay, now my one question to you. In the when you will put the port channel summary, either you can see this one or you can see this one. Am I right?
Yes.
What does the meaning of? I'm not asking you about this. Anyone can say. What is the meaning of this?
SU means up, SD means down.
No. Yes,
No,
U means up, D means down. U
Yeah.
means up, D means down.
D
But
means
my
down.
question is, what is the meaning of S?
Static.
We will check. Anyone check on that at least? It's layer 2, layer 3. What? This is layer 2 protocol or layer 3 protocol?
It's basically layer 2, but it
Layer
can
2.
be configurable.
We can also use the layer 3 when we will put the IP here, but basically it's the layer 2 protocol. Okay. I will show you in that one. When I'll put the command, I will show you. You need to know what is bit by bit meaning you need to know. I will show you in the command. What is the meaning of S? That is layer 2, layer 3, what you will see. Okay. Now this one. Okay, this is fine. Now configuration the port channel for the LSCP. LSCP guys, you know, I already told you it's in the active passive mode. What are the good combination? Active, passive. And what about this? Just
passive.
Will it work?
It will be not.
Very good. Configuring in between NX1, NX2 to be part of the port channel. The port channel should be, let me put 1 and 2, 12. On both the side, the port channel should use LSCP. NX01, NX02. Okay. Now, what is the first command I need to do? First class I told you. Anyone just try to remember.
Feature LSCP.
Yes, very good, excellent. Feature LSCP.
Correct.
Then simple one. Interface ETS 1 slugs. What are the port connected, guys? Could you please see NX1?
1 to 2.
1 to 2. Then I can use the channel. Sorry. For the best practice, let's do a switch port. Switch port mod. Then the command channel
Channel group
12.
12.
Then 12. Then
Mode on.
No, mode active.
Mode active.
Yes.
Hit the enter button, sir.
No, it's restarting. Network connection. I don't think my connection is good, I think.
Sir, it's a PNet issue. I have also faced in the evening time this issue.
Okay, no problem. We'll see this one. Okay, so same command we can see. Okay, can anyone tell me what are the main output? Suppose I will put the show port channel summary. Okay, or in the cat I can put the show ether channel summary. What type of output you will see there? How I can know what is my negotiation protocol?
It will show in the port channel summary. It is either it is static or it is LSCP.
LSCP it will show. Everyone knows about this part. I cannot show you today. Tomorrow I will show you. But everyone knows about this part.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, let me know when you want to stop. SVI. If you will be overburdened, please let me know. What is the meaning of the SVI?
Switch virtual interface.
Means what is that?
A layer 3
Layer
interface
3 interface.
Yes. And
for the VLAN.
suppose I want to create any interface, means layer 3 for any interface VLAN. Any VLAN, suppose VLAN 10. So I need to put the interface. Who asked this question? Please listen. For any of the VLAN, I want to create a L3 for that one, an interface like it's a logical. So what I need to do there, I need to put the IP address. Whatever the IP address I need to assign, I need to put the IP address. Then in the catalyst switch, what I need to assign?
MAC address.
Huh?
No,
Subnet.
subnet, yeah.
Why I will put MAC here?
No, subnet.
Yeah,
Subnet.
subnet slash 24 or slash.
There is a notation used here in the Nexus.
Nexus, yes. Catalyst, you need to put the subnet. Nexus, either this will also work, okay? This will also work.
Slider.
But if I will put so run interface VLAN 10 in the Nexus, anyone did this command? Anyone see this
Yes.
output?
Yes.
What it's on? Mask
is
completely or /24?
/24.
Very good. Whatever we are doing today, all the old one, nothing new. Maybe tomorrow we will get some new thing. SVI creation. Let me put the NX. Let me put this one SVI creation NX. Every time I'm putting the NX01, you will be confused. Day-3, okay. SVI creation. What is the first command I need to put? Suppose I'm creating NX01, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20.
First, need to enable the features.
Feature interface VLAN.
Yes, very good. Feature interface VLAN.
Interface
VLAN 10 IP address. Let's put it from 10 segment 10 1 2 5 5 2 5 5 5 awesome. Space VLAN 20. Let me write IP address 10.20.20.1 plus 24. 2 I am representing this one. Okay. I am putting the subnet mask also. I am putting DC header also. Okay. Any other people not able to understand anything? Guys. Hello.
All done, sir.
No, any people not able to understand anything?
No, all going good.
All going good till now, other people?
All going good, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, no worry. No, sir. Now my question is, Guy, again, this is the first class or second class I have told you. I want to see this SVI IP, means whatever the SVI I have created on my Nexus, I just want to see the IP.
So IP interface brief.
Excellent.
So
Very
IP
good.
interface brief,
Yes.
VRF all.
The PRF, if you will have any VRF, then you can put the VRF all, else from the so IP identity brief, you will see this one, because I am not putting this one on the VRF. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, same thing. This is on the Nexus 1. SPI creation is done. On the every switch, I need to create this one. Nexus 1. Nexus 2, I can create. 2. 2. Guys, it's actually my mistake every time putting the NX. So it means that it's the switch one, okay? Repeatedly, I am putting NX. So please try to remember if NX means it's the switch, okay? 10.3, 20.3. Okay. This one also I will show you in the lab in the tomorrow. Just let me configure this one. One more thing. Not over-adjusted. All good?
Yeah, all good.
Okay. Port security. What is the meaning of port security?
Spanning tree filter enable.
No, the port
Filter and
security
MAC
means
address mapping on port.
MAC address mapping. Excellent. How many ways I can do it?
Binding the map.
3 ways.
Preventing unauthorized devices access.
Mainly, if I want to binding make on a specific port, I can do it. If I want maximum, whoever will come to this first time, this MAC will be binding. For this port, if I want, I can allow 5 maximum MAC. For this reason, I can use this MAC binding, this port security. But
MAC
how many?
restriction and all.
But how many ways I can achieve it?
One is sticky.
Means statically it will be assigned.
Yes.
Dynamically it will be assigned. Am I right?
Yes.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
static and what is dynamic?
Static, we can mention the particular MAC addresses.
Yes, if I have the specific MAC address, then if I want to bind that one, I can statically bind that one. Am I right?
Yes.
If I want to do a manual, sorry, dynamic, my bad.
Manual.
Yeah.
Static is the manual. And dynamically, how I can achieve this?
Like a
That is
first
sticky, you
laptop.
can mention a number of.
Fetch by cam table.
Switch port security I can mention. Then switch port security maximum I can manage here. Mention here. Am I right?
Yes.
Out of 5, if I want to, means out of 5, I will specify these 2 will be connected here. So for that, I can mention the static also here. Am I right? Same time I can use the dynamic, I can use the static. Yes or no? Let me do the lab. We'll do one by one. Configure NX-01 such that any MAC I am putting, any MAC, let me put a 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, any MAC 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Can connect. How many ports are already being utilized? 4 ports, am I right? On my switch? Can anyone tell?
Yes.
Okay. 2 port. Let me put it is 1 by 5 then. Hypothetically. If another device will tries to connect this port. Which mode it will go? Which mode it will go?
Access.
So
Access
down
mode.
protect,
Error disable.
error disable or something. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Let me do in the NX-01. I need to enable the feature, am I right?
Yes.
Feature port security. Interface, it is 1/5, very basic one. So is what I have VLAN 10 and 20 created or not?
Created.
Yes.
Created. Okay, great. If also, then it will create through this one if it is not created. So it's for access VLAN 10.
Switch port security.
No, switch port security.
Yeah.
Is for port
security.
security 10.
Switch port security.
Hmm.
Maximum.
My question is, try to see the question. Such that only Mac.
Okay.
I need to
MAC address
copy.
sticky.
No, sticky. Someone will connect first. He will connect.
Okay.
Here, I want to connect this one only.
Okay.
So
This
switch
is
port
static.
MAC directly I am binding statically from here. Okay. Now my question is that, guy. Very simple question. From the catalyst, nothing difference. Suppose I will put this one. Just a minute. I will remove this one. And directly I will put this one. Will it work or not?
No.
Why?
We need to enable that first.
Yes. Is this command will take, and if you will run this command, so run interface, whatever is the command, you will show this one, this MAC. But anyone put this command on the switch, so port security. Here you can, so I will show you once lab will open, I will show you manual and dynamic binding will be there. But if you will not put this command on that port, nothing will be shown from this command. But if you will put the show running command, then you will see everything is good. But when you will put the show port security command, nothing will be associated with this port. So first I need to enable the port security. By putting this command switch port security, I am telling that port that you are right now enabling with the port security. After that, I am putting any kind of max, sticky, maximum, whatever you need to do, you can. So this is mandatory. Nexus 01. Now suppose last part, then we'll close this one. One more question. Suppose configure. Yes. Good. Or NX such that I make can be connected. Configure MAC. Any MAC address, let me put 000011010 any MAC. Put A P12. Let me copy this one and I will just change 13 P13 statically. The rest of the MAC address will be learned by time.
That means you are saying like out of 5, the 2 MAC will be these 2 and another 3 will be
Yes, whatever they will connect other It will be run dynamically. The rest of the MAC address will be learned dynamically.
Okay, so let's wait a transition.
Little bit confused. If you are, no problem. Once we'll do the lab, it will be completely clear to you. And X01 interface. Now tell me the command, guys. Interface, it is 1/6. Already we did. Tell me the command. Switch port
Switch port mode access.
Port security.
Yes, switch
Switch
port mode
port
access.
access VLAN. Then port security. Then maximum 3, I think so.
Switch port security. Switch port security. No, maximum 5.
Maximum 5.
Switch
Maximum
maximum 5.
port security maximum 5.
Then
Then switch
switch
port security MAC address.
Switch port security MAC. Let me copy this one. Cannot type.
In the same 13.
3 means instead of 12 it is 13. Okay,
static.
Okay, one more thing. Okay, suppose it will go to the error disable. If different thing will come like this, if another port will become, it will go to the error disable.
Switch port.
If I want to do the auto recovery, what I can do? What is the command?
There is a command.
Error disable. Then are you able to remember recovery? Then purge. If you will put the question mark, multiple things you will see. In my case, it's the P-secure violation. Port security.
Yeah.
Then what is the by default timing? If it will be go to the error disable, then error what?
300 seconds.
Yes, 5 minutes. Very good. Error disable. If I want to make it change, recovery interval, it will be suppose 240 seconds. Okay, this all about the port security. We will not continue today. It's 11. Tomorrow I will do the DSCP snooping.
Okay.
What is DSCP snooping? What is DSCP snooping? CH. Okay.
So it's a security features for the any of in the network, if any of the DHCP server present to means they can prevent the attacks.
Means for the DSCP part you are telling, am I right? If any, suppose I have the a good DSCP server, but suppose from the VLAN 10 users are getting from the good DSCP server. If any rogue DSCP server will come, they will connect to my another port. Okay. And as per the DSCP, what will happen? The one who will offer first, client will receive that one. Am I right?
Yeah.
So client will receive from my rogue DSCP. So on that condition, I need to enable the DSCP snooping feature.
Yes.
Okay, I need to make other ports of the untrusted, the one which is connected, the DSCP, that I need to make the trusted port. That is the DSCP snooping. Okay, so guys, we'll continue tomorrow from the DSCP snooping. A lot of things are left. I thought I can cover this one, but a lot of things are left. Okay. DSCP snooping will do, SRM control will do, IPSL, MAC ACL, VLAN ACL, remote management. If you'll get time, enter into the STP part again. STP, I just want to know everyone is clear about the STP, because all the like NRC we did or Encore we did, means all the STP we will not do here, because suppose someone will ask you, this is a switch, this is a hub. Hypothetical question again. This is not in the production. This is interview question. Which will be the alternate port? Suppose this one is MAC, this one is MAC is 2, this one MAC is 3. Means AA, MAC is not like 1, 2, 3. Suppose I am representing this one 1, 2, 3. Which will be my root bridge? Who will be my designated port? Which will be my blocking port? You know this part?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thanks. But in the STP, same thing we'll do. 3 switches. RSTP will do RPBST here. Then I will manipulate, it means for all the VLAN, suppose this is the root bridge, I will manipulate. From 10, I will do this one, 20, I will this one, 30 will do this one. So that my all links will be utilized. I will do the MSTP. We will do the UDLD. UDLD is the old feature. Right now we have the bridge assurance in the Nexus. Openly it is the loop guard. All things we will cover. If you can see your syllabus, it's only this one and MST. But we need to know what is UDLD, because in the production network we need to use, and interview also you will get. Exam you will not get this question, but in the interview you will get what is the UDLD, what is the loop guard. These are same, but this one is Cisco Open, and right now we are using the bridge assurance. What we are using the bridge assurance? What is root guard? What is BPDU guard? Everything we need to implement under the STP. Once I will cover this one, then I will go into the MST. Once MST will be covered, then we need to go to the routing part. Okay, guys. Any other thing, or we can close? It's 11 now. Any other thing anyone want to tell, or we can close? Till how much we did the lab? I think I mentioned somewhere. Yes, from the port channel we will do. Okay. Any other thing, guys, or we are good to clutch?
In spine and leaf infra.
Guys, my screen was not in the sharing mode.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yes. But again, why it is asking to share? You are able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
it's
yes.
fine. It's fine.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, yes, tell me any other question, or we are good to
So
close?
I have a query.
Yes, yes,
So
go ahead.
in spine and leaf infra, we don't use we are using the layer 3 interface between the spine and leaf, right? So there is in that fabric we don't need STP, right?
No, there is MCP. Miscoupling protocol is there, no STP.
Okay.
What is the MCB?
MCP, miscoupling protocol is there. When I will go to the ACI, I will let you know what is MCP.
Okay.
Okay. ACI, in our ACI, that part is there. ACI also we need to do around 10 to 12 days. Okay. All the things, because in your CCNP syllabus, if you will go, ACI is very less, only VMM is there, traffic flow is there, and I think maybe your contract is there. But we need to know what is L2 out, what is L3 out, what is the TNAT, what is the BD, means bridge domain, how the actually COOP protocol is going on. So everything we need to know. This question you will definitely get in the interview. So Nexus and ACI, whatever is in the syllabus, much more we need to cover. These are the main part in the DC for the interview purpose. Okay.
Multi-site and multi-port we are covering.
That is the lecture part. That is not in the course, and that is also it's not in the course if you can see. But in the first class, I told you that will be a completely lecture class, means on the design basis. I will tell you
lecture class like interview based question we will
interview
cover.
based question and theory.
Okay.
Multi-part, multi-site. It's not in the syllabus also if you can see, but this is required as per your interview. As a lecture base, I will provide you the multi-part and multi-site. Okay.
If we are discussing about the spine and leaf, we are we going to discuss these two flavors, the ACI also, that BGP EVPN also?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
We will cover EVPN. Will cover through the EVPN. We will do the lab. Then we will do the in the ACI. What is spine? What is leaf? How your endpoint and spine, means spine will know about the endpoint. What is the protocol for that is going on? Spine to leaf. What is the protocol is going on? I have a complete setup for this. Means for the traffic flow. We need to spend around 2 days for the traffic flow.
And guys, the best part is everyone is going to get individual labs, right? We prepared myself and Manas sir today. ACI completely 5 port we make ready, dedicated, and Nexus also. So you guys going to enjoy a lot. So don't worry, everything is going to be in very detailed. So once ACI is going to be there, probably very soon, tomorrow onward, everyone is start getting the lab access for the Nexus one. Start doing that, and everyone is start going to get the ACI lab as well. The the plan is two people is going to get one port ACI, and they can just enjoy 24/7 with a separate credential. But you guys have to coordinate with each other. We'll make a separate group, and there is no confusion is going to happen.
Okay.
On
So
WhatsApp or some Telegram based?
We create on WhatsApp.
Okay.
We create on our WhatsApp, very close group. So, like when we create the ACI part, so the idea is like we can give the individual as well, but that's like a very heavy topology. So we required like at least two people need to share, and they can do the configuration, they can do all testing. And one Manasar is going to show how to onboard the fabric from the scratch. So that is going to be live.
Yes.
And once one is going to be done, probably we can do the fabric onboarding on behalf of you all. If you guys really want, we'll see how it is possible. But yes, that's the initial configuration basically, how to assign the IP address, DSCP address, gateway for the ACI fabric and all. Once it is going to build, then like discovery process, you guys can do individually for your labs. Or might be you guys join together and two can share the screen, or you can just do that chit chat.
Yeah, better thing we can do the scratch itself. That can be good.
For one
Yeah.
lab, we will show you the discovery process. Okay. Then you can install on your phone. Okay.
Yes,
One
yes.
we can show you about the discovery process
Because
because in
it's
that
a data center, it's a data center, no? So giving the raw lab is like quite complicated. The one lab will make as a like temporary arrangement for one PC, and on which Manasar is going to show you everything. After that, it is going to accessible remotely via the IP address, public IP address. So to doing every lab from like just base configuration, it looks a little bit difficult. So one is going to be recorded, you'll see how it is happening. But after that, basic IP assignment, just only IP assignment in gateway and the host name. After that, you guys have to get the complete fabric, and that is remotely accessible, and you can start doing the from zero discovery process. So this is how it is going to happen.
Manas and Vishal, I just want to see like when the initial epic is we have installed, and after that there is a configuration like a btap, and there is a other parameters which we had follow. So you guys can show that things.
will show that one. This is the thing Vishal sir is talking about, that is known as the fabric discovery part. Okay, when you will enter into the new environment, Epic is nothing. Epic is on just a UCS, V series or C series servers. The Epic server software is installed on the Cisco. You need to do everything. Once your cable is connected, you will install the software. The fabric discovery part will be there. It will ask you for a subnet. Okay,
Yes,
a
yes,
big
yes.
subnet /16, and you need to do some basic things. What is the my out of band management IP? Yes, no, you need to put. Then your fabric discovery process will be there. Then from the switch name, means switch serial number, you need to identify the liberal and the spinal. I will show you on that time. No worry about that part. That is known as the fabric discovery.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. So I think then we can close.
Yes, thank you so much, Manasar. Thank you so much,
Thank
everyone.
you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Thank you,
Guys,
everyone.
tomorrow we have the class.
Tomorrow,
Yes.
the
Because
Friday.
Friday, actually, this Friday I will not be available due to some emergency.
Okay.
So tomorrow we can continue. Next week we need to decide. We'll fix 3 days. Okay. But as of now, just cooperate me.